we got the Camaro running, and she's on fire.
A few minutes into teardown, I've already got the radiator and the fans poured out and drain the fluid, and the mission tonight, goal is to pull this thing out, see if it happens or not. All right, the engine is out. Job well done. We're a few minutes away from getting ready to drop the engine into the black 80Z. It's been a long time coming, and I'm really happy with how it's come out. Hopefully it all runs good. We'll see here shortly. I know it's gonna be a loud one.
I think you're 180 out. I was right! Hold on, buddy. Hey, Frank, yep. Advance it more.
Like every engine build show, I always see the guys fuck it up. And they're like, oh, we're 180 out. And I was like, I'm never gonna do that.
Yeah, that's alright. Right at 170, 55 PSI. Hell yeah.
Good thing I bought those new wheels for the car, because I knew that these tires didn't have much life left on them, and well, you can see it on the way home. She went. Just got my windows fixed. Yeah, baby. So this is the third day of working on the black Camaro, and it's coming along pretty good. Goal is just to get the whole roof, back quarter panels, that door, trunk, all sanded down. So the Camaro is coming along pretty damn good. We've got the whole back part of the car primed and ready to do some Bondo and whatever, and now patched in new metal where some real bad rust was, cut out other rust and crap. And over here, got this patched in too, and then just finishing smoothing things up. I'll have the new fiberglass hood, and then we'll prime this and be one step closer. Out here grinding away, one step closer every day. Nice and sealed now. Looks good just the way it is. Been a long day. Wet sanded the car for like 4 hours and change, but it's here in the garage. Garage is taped off. Got my little screen thing out there to protect from bugs getting in, and hopefully they don't. And yeah, we're gonna see how she comes out. Hopefully it's a mission success. So mixing up the paint right now. It's the SEM Hot Rod Satin Black, and it's got the hardener and adhesive in there, and I'm all strapped up, ready to go. Car is sitting there, ready to get there. Now that the car's been wet sanded, I'm going through and using the pre-painting prep, getting the car clear of any sort of oil or contaminants that might be on it. It's game time, boys and girls. Time to shoot the jams and get it on with. Here we go. One year I managed to build and just about complete 2 cars. It's been a hell of a year. So today I'm trying to fix these pretty deep window guide scratches in my window. I've got my drill and this window scratch cleaning and repair kit, so we're going to see how it works. So right now I'm cutting through this first layer, and I made some lines in the back side of the window with a marker to guide me where I'm going. So going up and down. You can already see the scratches are starting to go away. Alright, it's definitely getting out of there now. I just buffed this top half from here up, and you can definitely see already it's pretty damn smooth compared to the bottom. Buff the bottom part now. Hard to do it one-handed, but just like that. Not bad at all. Much better than it was, I can say that. The driver's seat, then I'm gonna recover the dash, repaint the center console, and I'm recovering all the seats inside. Got the passenger seat done last night. Came out freaking awesome. I love the stripe on here. Really comfortable back seat. Right now I'm dyeing all these interior parts. You can see this armrest, which I already have dyed, and this one I primed it. And then I'm using this SEM. It's an interior dye, and there it is after spraying it. Stuff works great. Now I'm preparing the dash to install the dash cover that I got for it. Just laying down the silicone, just getting it on all the high spots, and then I can lay the cover over it and let it dry. It'll look great. Alright, the dash pad cover is on there. It looks fantastic. Can't even tell. So here she is, the completed product.